Pearson Edexcel Modular Foundation Tire Unit 1 paper. It's November 2025. Okay, let's go for the first question. Write in figure the number 7320. 7320. Next, write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. So here is small to big one. So first one is 809, then 875, 968, and then 971 and 990. Next, tick the number box that describe the value of 4 in this number. So here after decimal we'll say tenths, hundred and thousandths. Okay, so here 4 thousandths. So this one. Next, write down 4 factors of 20. So 20's factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So here we have to write any 4. So 1, 2, 4, 5 or any 4 we should write. Next, question number 2. A bag contains 12 beads. 6 beads are orange, 3 beads are red and 3 beads are blue. And it takes a random bead from a bag. On the probability scale, mark the cross the probability that bead is an orange. So orange is going to be 6. 6 over total number of beads is going to be 12. So which is when we reduce we'll get 1 by 2. So here is the point. Okay, next one, on the probability scale, mark with a cross the probability of the bead is green. So green is here. There is no green because orange, red and blues there is no green. So green is going to be 0 out of 12, which is going to be 0. So which is here. Next, on the probability scale, mark the cross the probability of the bead is blue. So blue is going to be 3 out of 12. So 3 out of 12, when you reduce we'll get 1 over 4. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 1 over. This is 1 over 4. This is 2 over 4. This is 3 over 4. This is 4 over 4. 4 over 4 become 1. 2 over 4 become 1 by 2. So here is a 1 by 4. Here is a quadrilateral. Okay, write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. So this is a trapezium because here is one side is parallel side. Okay. Trapezium. Next, here is a rectangle with the length 10 centimeter and width is 8 centimeter. Work out the perimeter. So here is 8, here must be 8, here top is 10, here also 10. So perimeter going to be 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8, which is 20 plus 16, which is 36. So which is equal to 36. So 36 is the answer here. Next, work out the area of a rectangle. So your length times width, which is 10 times 8. So it is 10 times 8, which is going to be 80 centimeters square. Next, change 4.5 meters into centimeters. So 4.5 meter to centimeter, we have to multiply 100. So the answer is going to be 450. So 450 centimeter. Next, simplify y plus y plus y plus y. So when you add up all, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll get 5y. See, next we have to times everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So c power 4 is the answer. Next, 4x equal to 48. So 4x equal to 48. So we have to divide a 4 both the side, which is going to be divided by a 4 divided by a 4. So x equal to 48 divided by 4, which is going to be 12. So x equal to 12. Next, So I'll make W is a positive. I'll add up W both the side, which is 18 equal to 13 plus W. Next I'll take away 13 both the sides. So 18 minus 13, which is equal to 5. 5 equal to W. So W equal to 5. Next, question number 5, shade 1/6 of the shape. So here first we have to check how many boxes are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 18. So 1 over 6, the denominator we have to make it 18, so I need to multiply a 3. So 3 over 18. So out of 18 we need to shade 3 boxes. Any 3 boxes. Okay, next, alright, 45 over 75 as a fraction in simplest form. So 45 over 75 we can divide by 5 times table, which is 9 over. So I'll divide by a 5 times table, you'll get 9 over 15. Again I have to divide by 3 times table, 3 over 5. So 3 over 5 is the answer. Next, alright, 2 over 5 is in decimal. So the decimal is 0.04. Next, there are 80 children in a playground. 1/5 of the children were wearing a white t-shirt. Calculate the number of the children are not wearing the t-shirts, the white t-shirts, which is the total probability is going to be 1 minus 1/5. So the answer is going to be 4/5. So 4/5 of total number of students, which is 4/5 of 80, which is going to be 64. So the answer is 64 students not wearing white t-shirts. Next, question number 6. Polo travels to work, road A, road B and road C. The table gives the distance B travels on each of these roads. The total this distance less than 3 kilometers. How much less? So first we should add up all and take away from 3 kilometers. So final answer should be in meters. So I'll change everything in meter. 3 kilometer is kilometer to meter is going to be 3 times 1000, which is 3000 meter, and 1 kilometer here, this also 1000 meters. So first I should add up all. So 500 meter plus 1000 plus 700, which is 2200 meter, that we have to take away from 3000 meters. So 3000 minus 2200, which is equal to 800. So 800 meters is the answer here. Next, question number 7. There are 5 chess players at the school A, C, H, M, X. A teacher chooses 2 of these players to represent the school in the competition. List the possible combination that teachers can choose. So A and first chance A and C. Next one is going to be AH. Next is AM. Next is AX. With A we combine everything, then with C. C to A already we done, so C to H, then C to M, then C to X. C is done. Now H to M and H to X. Next M to X. Yeah, these are the possibles. Next, guys, sells drinks of coffee, tea and hot chocolate. On Monday, guys sold a total 140 drinks. Okay, Tuesday, and yeah, so we need to fill in the box. So Monday 358 coffee. So Monday 58 coffee and 36 tea, and total he sold 140. So we need to find how many hot chocolate. So 140 minus, we have to take away this 58 minus 36. So we'll get how many chocolate, because total is given, which is 140. So we need to, so when we calculate, our answer is going to be 46. So here is going to be 46. Next, Tuesday 70 were tea. So 70 is tea, and 50 hot chocolate, and yeah, TV. So coffee we don't know, so 160 total. So 160 minus 70 minus 50, which is going to be 40. So 40 is going to be the coffee. Now we should add each one. So here is 98, here is 106, here is 96. So when you add up all, we'll get here 160. So it's vertical or horizontal. When you add up, we'll get 300. That's it. Next question, question number 9. ABC is a straight line, BCD is an isosceles triangle, DB equal to DB equal to DC. Work out the value of x. So value of x is a linear pair, so when you add up all, so 145 plus x equal to 180 degree, so x equal to 180 minus 145, which is 35 degree. So first answer is going to be 35 degree. Second one, find out the y. So here is 35, here also 35, because isosceles two sides are equal. So BD and DC are equal. So it's isosceles triangle. So equal side opposite angles must be equal. Now it's a triangle. Triangle, when you add up all the angles equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 35 plus 35, when you add up is 70. So 110 is the answer here. Next, workout. Yeah, use a calculator. So 18 square will get 324 plus cube root of 729 will get us 9. So the answer is 333. So 333 is the answer here. Next, question number 11. Simplify 8a plus. So first we have to bring a like terms. So 8a minus 2a, which is going to be 6a, and 5c plus 9c, which is going to be 14c. So 6a plus 14c is the answer here. Next, to find the value of 4m plus 3n, m equal to and n equal to. So 4 times 7 plus 3 times 5. So just plug in the value here. So 28 plus 15, which is equal to 43. So here 43 is the answer here. Next, to solve 5x plus 4 equal to 32. First we have to take away 4 both the sides, which is 5x equal to, will get 28. Next, divide 5 both the sides. So x equal to 28 over 5. So make it decimal, you'll get 5.6. So the answer is 5.6. Next, question number 12. Here a set is given. A is odd number, so bring from the odd number here 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and B is multiple of 5, so 10, 15 and 20. So now we have to complete this Venn diagram. So common, we can find only 15 both. So here is going to be 15, and rest all the values come in A. So A is 11, 13, 17 and 19, and B is going to be, so 15 already here, so 10 and 20 here. The rest all remaining numbers going to be out the main set, the whole set. So here 10 already, 11 is there, 12 is not there, so we'll write 12 here, and 13 is there, 14 we don't have, so 14, 15 already here, 16 we don't have, so we'll write 16 here, and 17 is already here, so 18 we don't have, and 19 is here, 20 is here. So this is the answer for this question. Next, question number 13. Expand and simplify. So first we'll expand 5 times here and 5 times this. So we'll get 5h plus 35 plus, we'll multiply with the 2 with here and here, which is 4h plus 20. So now like terms, 5h plus 4h, which is 9h plus 35 plus 20, which is 55. So the answer is 9h plus 55. Next, factorize 9m plus 12. So we have to bring highest common factor out. So highest common will be divided this 2, 3. So rest is going to be, so just divided by 3 both. So 3m plus 4. So 3 into 3m plus 4 is the answer here. Next question number 14. Meena buys 4 notepad and 1.80 of 3 pens, 5 identical pencils. So Meena pays 20 here and get it back 3 is as change. So 4 times 1.80 plus 3 pens, 3 times 1.35 plus 5 pencil, 5 times the pencil I'll take as x equal to, she pays 20 but she is getting 3 back, so she paid only 17. Okay, so here 7.20 plus 4.05 plus 5x equal to 17. So 5x equal to 17 minus 7.20 minus 4.05. 5x equal to 5.75. So x equal to 1.15. So 1.15 is the answer here. Each pencil cost is 1.15. Next question number 15. The diagram shows a wall and a tile. Okay, so here Jimmy 3 boxes of, so he buys 3 boxes of tile. Each box contains 12 tiles. Each tile the side is 40 centimeter. Work out the number of tiles Jim should have left after. So he's tiling everything, so how many tiles are left? So first we need to find the area of the wall. Which is, so I will draw a line here. So this is one rectangle, this is another rectangle. So first rectangle is going to be 120 times 240 plus second one is 80 times this height is going to be here to here is 160. So the entire length is 240. So 240 minus 160, which is going to be 80. So this is going to be 80. So the answer is 28800 plus 6400, which is 35200. So we got the area of the wall. Now we need to find area of one tile. Area of a tile, which is 40 times 40 centimeter square, which is 1600 centimeter square. Now number of tiles required. So entire area, which is 3500 divided by 1600. So we need 22 tiles. Okay, but he buys like 3 boxes of tiles. Each box is 12 tiles. So 3 boxes, each box is 12. So he bought 36 tiles. So which is required for us 22. So 36 minus 22, which is 14. So 14 tiles were left. Next one on the grid, draw the graph y equal to 4 minus 3x for the value of x from minus 2 to 4. So we need to draw a box here. Okay, so here x and y. So first values are minus 2 to 4. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when you plug in minus 2, so y equal to 4 minus 3x. So when you plug in minus 2, so 4 minus 3 into minus 2, which is 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10. So first answer is going to be 10. Next to minus 1, so y equal to 4 minus 3 into minus 1, which is 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So when you plug in all the values, so we'll get 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 8. Now we have to plug in the grid minus 2 comma 10. minus 2 comma 10 is going to be here, minus 1 comma 7 is going to be here, and 0 comma 4 is here. Next 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2 is going to be here, 1 comma 1 is there, then 2 comma minus 2, then 3 comma minus 5, and 4 comma minus 8, 4 comma minus 8. So when we draw a line, we'll get a straight line. We have to use a ruler and we'll get a straight line here. That's the answer this one. Next question number 17. Show that. So the left side, so 7 over 8 times 4 over 5. I have to simplify now, like 4 times table. This is 1, this is 2, so 7 over 2 times 5 is going, 2 times 5 will be left, so which is 7 by 10. Next we try is ask to find the value of 8 over 9 times 1 by 3. Here is our working, so 8 over 9 divided by 1 by 3, so 9 over 8. Her mistake is here because 8 divided by 9 times means second part will be swap. So she swapped the first part, so that's a mistake. So we have to write C inverted 1 by 3 to 3 by 1, not 8 by 9. Okay, so this is the answer for this. Okay, next question number 18. The diagram shows a semicircle. The semicircle has a diameter is 12. So diameter is 12, so radius is going to be 6, which is just make it half. Work out the perimeter of the semicircle. Perimeter means the entire length plus we should add this. So the full circle, the perimeter is 2 pi r. So here semicircle divided by 2 plus 12. So this 2 is gone, so pi into radius 6 plus 12. So when you use calculator, the answer is going to be 30.84955. so 3 significant figure, which is going to be 30.8. so 30.8 is the answer here. Next, by rounding each number to one significant figure, work out an estimate for the value of. So here is first 2.11 estimate in one significant figure. We will get 2 times 58.9, so one significant figure, so we'll get 60 over square root of 8.9. One significant figure is going to be 9, so 2 times 60 over 3. So the answer is going to be 80. Oh, sorry, here I made a mistake. This is square is there, so I should put a square. So here 4 times 60 over 3, so which is going to be 80. So 80 is the answer here. Next, question number 20. So show that again. So left side I'll take mixed fraction to improper fraction, which is 7 times 3. So we have to multiply this 2 and we should add this number. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 5, so 26 over 7 plus 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. So we have to make same denominator. I have to multiply a 3 and 3 here, multiply a 7 and 7 here, which is 78 over 21 plus 35 over 21. So now we should add, so 113 over 21. So use calculator and change improper fraction, 8 over 21. That's the answer for us. Next, question number 21. So here is like set language. So here first given like universal set, so A is odd number going to be 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17, and multiple of 3 is going to be 9, 12, 15 and 18. From the set, okay, prime number is going to be 11, 13 and 17. So the first question, A union C, so we have to merge A and B, so the element should not repeat. So the answer is 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Next one, A intersection B dash, so which is other than A intersection B from the main set. First we have to do A intersection B. A intersection B is going to be the common of A and B, so which is 9 and 15. So now A intersection B dash means, so other than 9 and 15 from the universal set. So the answer is 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 18 other than 9 and 15. Next one, is it true 15 is B intersection C, B and C? 15 is common? No. So 15 is not common for A and C. So 15 is belongs to B, but 15 is not belongs to C. So the reason is going to be 15 not in C. Okay, the next one, D is set. It says that D union C equal to A. D has two members, so D union C is going to be A. A is like 9, 11, 13, okay, and D and C already we have 11, 13, 17, so two numbers which is 9 and 15 is missing, so the D must be 9 and 15. So when we do D and C together, we have to get set A. Next, question number 22. All the students at the school are asked which sport they prepare from football, tennis and rugby and cricket. The table gives information about the probability that when a student is chosen at random, the prepare football or tennis or rugby or cricket. Okay, one of the student at the school is chosen as random. Work out the probability of the student prepare tennis or cricket. So tennis is going to be 0.2 and the cricket is going to be 0.35. So or we should add, so which is 0.35. So the answer is 0.55. Next, there are 700 students at the school. Work out the how many students prepare football. So football is missing here. So first we need to find x. When you add up all the probabilities going to be 1. So 2x plus 0.2 plus x plus 0.35 equal to 1. So 2x plus x is 3x plus 0.55 equal to 1. 3x equal to 1 minus 0.55. 3x equal to 0.45. So x equal to, divide 3 both aside, which is 0.15. So we got x equal to 0.15. So we need to calculate how many students prepare football. So football is 2x. So 2x is going to be 2 times 0.15, which is 0.3. So 0.3 times total how many students? 700 students. So 700, which is 210. So 210 students. Next, question number 23. The weight of a bag of apple is 475 gram. Correct and nearest gram. Okay, write down the lower bound of the weight. So 475 nearest means the upper bound is going to be 0.5. We should add. So 475.5. The lower bound is 0.5 less 474.5. So ask the lower bound. So which is 474.5. Next one, the height of a box is 120 centimeter, nearest 10. So we have to add up, just make it half, which is 5. We should add 5 in the upper bound. So 120 upper bound is 125, lower bound is 115. So we want the upper bound, so which is 125 is the answer here. Next question number 24. 8 power minus 2 and 8 power 9 over 8 power 10 equal to 8 power n. So 8 power minus 2, and so multiply time we should add over 8 power 10, which is 8 power 7 over 10, which is 8 power 7 minus 10. When we divide, we have to take away, so we'll get 8 power minus 3, which is equal to 8 power minus 3 equal to 8 power n. So compare both the sides, so n equal to negative 3. Next question number 25. Expand 5w, so inside, so first we have to multiply here, so 15w square minus 20w cube, so 15w square minus 20w cube. Next, simplify full. Okay, so here this 3 belongs to the entire thing, so 4 cube into a cube whole cube into c power 5 whole cube. So 4 cube is going to be 64 into a power 9 into c power 15 is the answer. 64 a power 9 and c power 15. Next one, factorize. So 14 and 21, the highest table can divide, which is 7. So m cube and m square. So m square is the highest, p square and p power 4 p square is the highest. So when we divide this, 2 m plus 3 p square is left. So 7 m square p square into 2m plus 3p square. Next, factorize. So when we multiply, we have to get 24. Addition time, we have to get negative 7. The factors are minus 6 and minus 4. So x minus 6 and x minus 4. So factor is x minus 6 and x minus 4. So equal to 0. So x minus 6 and x minus 4 equal to 0. First part equal to 0, which is x equal to 6. Second part equal to 0, so which is x equal to 4. So the answer is x equal to 6 and x equal to 4. Next, question number 26. The diagram shows a sketch right angle triangle ABC. A is the point, B is the point, and C is the point, D is the point on X. AB equal to AD. So first we need to find AB distance. AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1. So A point, so x2 minus x1 is going to be 2 minus 10 whole square plus 0 minus 15 whole square. So x minus x and y minus y, so which is equal to square root of negative 8 square plus my negative 15 square. So when we calculate, we'll get the answer square root of 64 plus 225, which is square root of 289, which is 17. So we got the distance AB is 17, so AD also is going to be 17. So we need to find a D coordinate. So AD also 17 distance. 17 means horizontal, so only x-axis we have to add 17. So this is going to be 19, 0. The coordinate is going to be 19, 0. So which is 19, 0. Next, question number 27. A parcel in the shape of a cube. Okay, so it's on the table. Okay, parcel conduct to the table. A parcel has a side length is 7 centimeter. The pressure of the table due to the parcel is 62 newtons. Work out the force. So from here we have to rearrange the formula of force equal to pressure into area. Okay, so we need to pressure is given, only we need to find the area. So we know the length, so the down 7 times 7. So force equal to pressure is 62 into area is 7 square. So the answer is going to be 3038. Okay, so the answer is 3038. Next, question number 28. So ABC is a right angle triangle. So we need to calculate ACD, angle ACD. This angle we need to calculate. First I'll take the big triangle. So ABC. So here I'm going to find the entire angle big one. So this 15 is going to be the adjacent and 21 going to be the hypotenuse. So adjacent hypotenuse cos. So cos ACB, angle ACB equal to 15 over 21. So angle ACB equal to cos inverse into 15 over 21, which is going to be 44.4153. Next I'll find the small triangle, so this area, so DBC. So here is opposite and adjacent is given, it's a tan. So I'm using tan of angle DCB equal to opposite over adjacent 9 over 15. So angle DCB equal to tan inverse into 9 over 15, which is equal to 30.9637. So just we need to find only this angle here. So entire angle minus this angle. So 44, which angle ACD. Angle ACD equal to 44.4153 minus 30.9637. So which is 13.4515. So question 1 dp, so which is 13.5. So 13.5 is the answer. So that's the end of the sheet.